So what I want to do today is take you through a sort of step-by-step process of doing a traditional watercolor technique, scenic rendering. And I've already begun the prep work, so what you're seeing here is my drawing, my line drawing transferred onto 140-pound cold press Arches paper, onto a piece of gator board, and taped off with this blue painter's tape. I've also gone back in to the drawing and taken all of those pencil lines and finished them with a very sharp, I guess small diameter pen, similar to these micron pens. See if you can see that there. 0.01 or 0.25 millimeters, and 0.01 is the size, or 0.25 millimeters to be very tiny. I like to do this just because if I do multiple washes, my lines remain that way. I've also gone in and used some colorless art masking fluid. You can see here, this is a way to preserve some of the whites of the paper. So I've used a little of this in a couple of different places. I've used it on my figure on the side, and I've used it on the fan just to demonstrate how it's used. You can use it if you have a lamp source on a piece of furniture, or there's something that you want to keep crisp and white until the end of the process. You could use this liquid masking fluid. So the next thing I'm going to do is actually tape off this proscenium and the floor line, and I'm going to do a dark wash on the outside world, sort of the proscenium and all that I'm considering not necessarily part of the set. Alright, so what I've gotten done so far is I've taped off the inside of the proscenium to preserve this area, and I'm just going to tone this outer edge, sort of the architecture of the theater, with a dark between two different colors, sort of a deep blue and then a lavender purple, just to get some movement in it, and I can continue to build layers upon that. So first I'll wet the entire paper and the perimeter, so I get a nice wet in wet movement that kind of moves on its own. So I'm going to go into my clean water.